Good morning, baby.
Good morning, Mama.
Wake up, Baba, wake up. Get up and get ready soon.
Why, Mama?
We are going to swim Bunat today.
Oh, really?
Yes. Okay, go. Hurry up. Okay.
Papa, you look so handsome today.
Oh, really?
Yes, Papa.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome, Papa.
Baby, are you alright? Baby, don't worry, baby.
Riza, you okay? What happened? Oh my God. Why did you even wear my shoes? Riza, how many times do I have to tell you that not to use others' thing, huh? Are you satisfied now? It's okay.
प्रकाश दाई जोजोलोपा
ओहो जोजोलोपा
Jojolopa Prakash Dai Mofila.
फुया ढामलका अले थौ माछा फुक देखे उठे चोनी गे
अठे ढ्यामलका दाई ठाउँ बिरा दुजुले म चाहिँ चाहे के हो दाई
ए ढाबिले धर्म न कर्म न काम मगला
अठे ढ्यामलिका दाई
छ मठुन लगी छु मया छला वाटा चुनचुन नि गे
Mama,
Yes.
which language is this? I don't understand.
दिस इज नेवा ल्याङ्ग्वेज का आवर मदर ल्याङ्ग्वेज योर ओन ल्याङ्ग्वेज सिल्ला
Is it, Mama?
Yes, baby. अनि प्रकाश दाई मिल्छ दिलाल
My
खबर.
own language?
No, baby. That's not your brush. This is your brush.
But I want this, Mama. It's so good.
Yes, but you cannot use that brush.
Why, Mama?
Because we must use our own things, not others, okay?
Okay, Mama.
Alright, take this.
Thank you.
Good girl.
Mama?
What happened, baby?
Papa, this cloth is so nice.
Yes.
Can I wear it?
No, baby. You can't wear it.
Why, Papa? Why?
Because we must use our own thing. Understand?
Papa?
Yes.
का प्रकाश दाई जिमी वना छ का नि का
ए आसे जिनो उखे भने उखा नाम
Jiu
हुन्छ
Jasa.
का जिजै ठुके
Hey,
उना
Jiu
त
Jasa le nidai ka.
Us.
Jojolopa us.
Where is Kriza?
Baby, let's go. Kriza, what's happened? Come.
Come, baby.
Mama, Papa? I have a question.
Yes.
Mama, you gave me my own brush. Papa, you gave me my own cloth and also my shoes.
Then
But why don't you give me my own language? Why, Mama? Why, Papa? I want to speak my own language, my mother language. Mama, Papa, please teach me my Newa language. Please, Mama. Please, Papa, give me my own language, please. Please, Mama. Please, Papa, teach me my mother language. Please.
Sorry, baby. Sorry.
Again, sorry, Mama.
क्षमा पुता क्षमा जिम त क्षमा हेना बिउ आउली जी न्याब्ले न छन्त छंगु थगुए भाषा खला अले छन्त जिगु थगु हे न्यावा भाषेनी खुए मते पुता
ख पुता आ छन्त जिमस न्यावा भ्याहेसेनी छंगु जिगु जिसकल न्यावा तेगु मा भ्या न्यावा भ्याहेसेनी छन्त
माल पुता खुए मते जिमी गुथो बच्चा हजुर